Hi guys, welcome back. Though we are not going directly to Amritsar, we're gonna stay today. Also, turns out that सुबह हो गई और हम चले हैं नजदीक में एक मंदिर थे तो we also plan to visit that. So let's go. हमने हमने ले लिया है ढेर सारा फूल and lots of prasad because they literally had 3 kind of halwa. सुबह के टाइम है so the cleaning and stuff is going on and there's no bheer because it's literally the morning hour and I don't know when we just entered this temple it felt kind of you know presence of some powerful power energy like you can feel it within like if you really sit down and you know just enter you can feel that. It's also said that you cannot take the prasad from Jwalaji Mandir to Chandika Devi Mandir. I don't know. It said that the locals said that something weird or bad will happen, so we didn't even think of taking it. So I don't know. The locals said, so we believe. And phone le jana वहाँ पे वर्जित है, so I am just going to put it down. But the temple was amazing. Like this tree has been there since ages, from times of time. Like this tree has been there, they said, and it's always green. Like no matter the fall season, it's always green. So that
हमने दर्शन कर लिया। इतनी अच्छी दर्शन मिली हमें, क्या बताऊँ मैं। इतनी अच्छी फील आ रही है, इतनी अच्छी फील आ रही है मुझे, क्या बताऊँ। हम निकल पड़े हैं अमृतसर के लिए।
अमृतसर में जाएंगे। अमृतसर जाएंगे ये गाड़ी में।
मैं नहीं दूंगी तो हमारे साथ आए हैं अब गाइड।
हाँ
यम ना सर्दी होगा
तो मम्मा गुस्सा रही है बच्चों।
अब हमें लगी थी भूख एंड हम पहुंच चुके हैं हवेली द रेस्टोरेंट which is situated in the highways of Punjab and it's quite big. It is a theme based restaurant. They actually have all the statues and all the real base theme that actually happened past 100 years, how Indians used to cook before, how they used to live before, how they studied before, and Gokul and stuff. Like everything is so realistic and everything is so like अगर रेस्टोरेंट हो तो ऐसा बस खाने के लिए नहीं जाओ. You can actually walk around and can see and learn from it. And the kids nowadays, you can't picture out everything in stories. So there'll be something to actually see it and then understand. Okay, हमारे दादा या परदादा ये सब करते थे, ऐसे काम करते थे. Well, this is the inside part of the restaurant. People can sit outside and inside. So this is the inside part. I'll also show you the outside part. So let's go.
Hi guys, welcome back to our vlog. And जैसे कि आप देख रहे हैं, we have come to the destination where we're actually supposed to eat. हम लोग बहुत इंतज़ार किए हैं literally to eat here in Haveli. People say it's amazing. The service here is amazing, mind blowing. Everything around here is unique. You'll not find anywhere in India. And then we'll go to Bagha border and Jallianwala Bagh. So we're going to see the parade and everything, and then at night we're going to go to Golden Temple. So night भी बहुत अच्छा है वहाँ का, तो इसलिए हम उसको अंत के लिए रखे हैं. Yeah, so देखते हैं हम क्या खाते हैं. Actually we're going to try here all local food like छोले कुलचे जो famous है, like सरसों दा साग and मक्का दी रोटी. तो देखते हैं what they bring. They have gone to get the food we ordered. और ये राघव का newest toy. आ गए हम the famous. Wow, it's coming out so good. So guys, ये बस एक पोस्टर है.
After the food,
How was the food, Shiva? Just eating what is famous here in the city. Because the origin of chole butter, I think it's Punjab, right? यहाँ पे they've actually portrayed कैसे हम लोग ना खेलते हैं ये फिर. Oh my god, I think this is dog in the bone and cow and all that. That is pitto, that is chain हम लोग बुलाते थे. Catch and then chain. Oh god, this is so famous of my village. But now they don't do. Now people are only interested in the phone and mobile phone. Oh my god, this is Kit Kat. We used to play in Anthony's. What the fuck? This is the Lukka Chuppi. We all know this. This is Coco. Oh my god. The phone era. So bad. Oh my grandmom's favorite candy. This is, I think, kabaddi. कबड्डी है ना ये?
कौन सा?
ये
नहीं, ये लंगड़ी डांस है.
गुल्ली डंडा.
ऊपर करके ना
वो गुल्ली डंडा.
जी.
और वो
क्लैप ऐसे
क्लैप वाला. Oh my god.
राजा रानी
बहुत खेलते थे हम लोग. लट्टू.
छोटा और बंटी.
बहुत अच्छा है ना, काफी सही बना है.
सभी सारे पंजाब के और सिंगर वगैरह.
All the singers from Punjab, like literally, as we all know, all the famous singers and the Punjabi people, they sing actually very good. It's great. और यहाँ पे instruments देखो. Gabru Annu.
Gabru was kidnapped.
That's it guys. अब हम चल पड़े हैं बागा बॉर्डर की ओर and हम पहुंच गए हैं. We have to rush literally because we'll miss out the dance.
बस कर चुका है. तो ये है entry. There are a lot of popcorn and stuff. I'm so proud. Welcome to JCP Atari. Okay, Atari is the name of our border and the Pakistan's border name is Bagha border. Ours is Atari, so this is the entry. यहाँ security check के लिए जा रहे हैं.
Amazing experience, guys. Amazing. You cannot miss out when you're in Punjab. You cannot miss 1 hour and it will not be a waste. I promise you it will not be a waste. It's so amazing, feeling to be present at that particular, parade. So it's amazing.